How to turn $100 into millions of gazillions of dollars in airdrops on Binance open leverage margin platform. I got you. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. This is an update video. I've done one a few days ago, and then a lot of people on my Patreon/Discord ask me, hey, can I only trade with $100? The answer is yes. I'm gonna show you exactly what I've done. Let's effing go. And before we do, I really hope you join Patreon below for $10 a month. Also, other than DM me and airdrops and all that stuff, you got AI prediction. Let me just show you what it means. Market is going down, 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 and you should have gone out like a week ago or something like that. This is just the Patreon as a whole. You can read. Thanks, Zir, ta ta ta. We share a lot of airdrops as well. Other people, not just myself. Okay, feel free to join. But more important, not more importantly, but equally important, if you go to the AI prediction, just so you know, check this out. I posted this about near. I said the buy for NEAR was March 15. Everyone was talking about NEAR in the last 48 hours on Twitter. Go buy NEAR at 18.19. The buy for NEAR was about March 15 at $10. Still didn't sell. Yesterday we got a sell signal at like 17, and now it's 15 now. Everyone aped in at 18, and I wrote just for the example. Nothing to report. Everything is still a sell. NEAR got a sell signal finally. Hope you listened day before and didn't ape in. Here we go. Time to buy NEAR was 3 weeks ago at $10. Signal is still green, but you are 70% late to the party. NEAR was added to my daily watch list, and you can see here all the sales. Doge is the only one that's still green, which is insane. Everything else is sell, 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 including Luna. Again, everyone aped in into Luna at 115. We got a sell signal basically like a day later. And if you go, it only started like I only started this in April, but the first signal to Patreon members was in mid-March. Sell Bitcoin at 47.5. And if we now have combination of AI prediction, not a financial advice, plus up to 5x leverage on Binance, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and a couple of other coins, then we can actually make it. And this is for USA people, so let me make sure I'm recording and let me answer the biggest questions of them all. Can I just trade with $100? The answer is yes. Look at this. I'm gonna show you why and how. Let's see first of all my position. My position, as I said on Patreon, $10 below Patreon. As I said in my Patreon Discord, only short this weekend. That's what I'm doing. Yes, I'm not playing a lot of money, not yet at least. I only put like, it's not $700. I put collateral 0.35 BNB, let's call it like $100. See how much that $100 took me. And I opened, so far on this trade that I opened like last night, I'm up $25, okay? I took the trade at 418, I 5x short BNB, and now the price is 4.3. I will wait for the AI prediction to tell me to close the short on Binance. We got a short signal like 48 hours ago. Okay, again, everything is just short, doesn't really matter, but it's important to get out before you get tracked. And now that I can even short from the US, that could be a game changer. Hopefully nothing will change. Liquidation price at 465. I assume, I don't know, maybe at 399 I will close and open again. Or just show you right now. How do I do this? Okay, let me go to rewards and see what basically $100 gets you. So you start here. You start here. Where's the rewards? This one. You see, trade more, get more campaigns. So now I'm getting like 600 points just from the rewards. Not talking about affiliate, all that stuff, which is also good. Feel free to refer other people so you can get paid as well. You see trading volume 5,272. I started with $100. I put like zero. How much was it? 0.25. 0.25 BNB is $100. Okay, let's round it up to 400. One BNB is 400. Okay, pay attention. 0.25 is a quarter of Binance, $100. But when you leverage 5x, your trading volume is $500. And then if you see, you start to pay attention to all the margin trade. You see, let me show you again. If you click just for the example BNB, that's what I've done, and you see all the trades below, you see open, close, and you see it's about the same amount. Here we go, 625, 625, the same second, 956, 956, 28 seconds, 48 seconds. So this wallet, the 94F1, open short, close short. It just trade volume, same one in here, 493, 497. Okay, and this one is for 1400 pages. So what people is actually doing, they're not doing what I'm doing. I'm doing that, but I'm doing it in a little more less aggressive way. I'm not closing a position every 20 seconds, but sure, you can do that. I'm just doing it every 8 hours or once or twice a day, basically, hopefully to get profit, because when you buy and sell every 2 seconds, you also pay fees. But you know, it's a risk reward calculation. For the $100, it's not a big deal. So basically, you take $100, 0.25 Binance, and 5x that you trade, which becomes $500. Okay, that's your leverage. And then you close it. That means that your trading volume is 500, not $100. Then you close the trade and you open a second trade a couple of seconds later. Same thing. That's another $500. Do this 10 times and it's 500. Now if you go here to view more, this is the key. That's the change. First of all, a month ago they said only minimum $10,000 in trading volume, but they have changed this. Let me make it a little bigger for you guys. They changed it and they said, you know what? Now trading volume, if you just trade $1,000, which is $100 twice, you just put $100 and you open close 2 trades, you got yourself $160 all rewards. The campaign ends April 19, which is like a week from now, so that's important. After that, you need to trade 2,500, and I'm right here. I only traded 5,000, but I assume by the end of this campaign, my goal is to pass 10,000 in trading volume, which is $1,200, and probably another, I don't know, 2,000 or something I will get from referrals, something like that. And I'm okay with about 3,000 coins. And if the price of the coin will be $10 at lunch, then we just turned $100 into $30,000. That is the key. But if you want to go even further, you can go all the way to up to level 13 and just grind your way to $500,000 trading volume, which will reward you, check this out, 71,400 coins. And if this is $10 a coin, you just got yourself, and if you do this on 10 wallets, not a financial advice, opportunity is crazy. If you also, so focus on this, okay, trade volume grind, buy, sell, buy, sell. Of course, link in the description to join. But if you also go here, if you have money, I'm not talking about the people just put $100. You know, if you actually have money and you invest, you know, you can get I don't know, 700% just to land. Because all those short position, I'm borrowing money, and I'm shorting Binance. I'm borrowing 0.75 Binance, something like that. If I put $100 and I borrow 300, 500, something like that, someone needs to recuperate that. So you can go into this pool, drop 100K or something like that, and get 700%. Or this Binance pool, 350%. Do your own research. This one doesn't have a lot, 30,000, but this one has 1.5 million just landing out and paying this crazy amount of money. This one has $3 million just to land, 75,000. I would stick to those two. Interest rate, okay, okay, so I don't know the rewards. I assume you get this plus this. I haven't read the lending part. Lending are for whales, but maybe put 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. Make 28% just by lending your BNB. Make 100. Okay, so this is total. So you lend your BNB. Okay, let's say you got $100,000 worth of BNB. ratio used reference used, you're getting 131%, and I don't know what this one is, another 28% or something like that. I don't know, I'm not in the lending, but you can lend. And if people borrow Floki or against that, I would, if it was me, not financial advice, I would lend my BNB so people can borrow BUSD to short the BUSD, that the trade that I'm doing. If people are shorting Binance, they're borrowing Binance, and they or going long Binance, they need BUSD. BUSD. They're not gonna go to US Tether. Okay, that's just me. Get yourself 20% in here. That's solid. Plus, I don't know, 16% here. I don't know. I'm not doing lending. If this was valuable, Patreon below. Go play out. Put $100. Grind your way to $700,000 or something, or 70,000 coins, and we all gonna make it. I hope this was valuable. I'll see you guys next time.